Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have this very chic, very Instagram messy ponytail look for you guys today. So I've been seeing this style pop up everywhere. I think it definitely gains its popularity from it being just so laid back, so easy and lived in, which has definitely been the hair trend both in color and cut. And we've all seen messy ponytails, so this doesn't seem like anything that's that new. But I think what's different about it this season is that the texture doesn't just come from, putting your hair up kind of messily. It comes from how you prepare the hair before you put it up into a ponytail. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. Super easy, super simple, and you can actually do this with zero hot tools. So for the first time since I've been a hairdresser, texture is in, and that's such an amazing thing, whether you think it looks good or not. As a hairdresser, we love it because it's so good for the hair. It means that you can put less hot tools to your hair. You can kind of just let your hair kind of be free, wear your natural texture out a little bit more, and with just like fun kind of chic hairstyles like this, it's just another way to kind of elevate, a very easy and a natural way to wear your hair. So just a few easy steps and just a few of my favorite products to kind of get that texture into the hair. So without further ado, let's just get into the tutorial. Alright guys, so I'm starting off with kind of lived in hair. I did curl my hair this morning, but we are going to kind of mess it up and texture it up just a little bit more. So it doesn't really matter what you kind of start this style off with. If anything, I think it actually looks more textured and almost cooler if you start with like wet hair or hair that's been naturally dried. So all you need is a hair tie, a teeny micro clip, and a good dry shampoo that's not going to leave any film on the hair, because we're going to use quite a bit to make the hair have a little bit more grit and a little bit more hold. You guys know how much I absolutely love eSalon products, so today we're going to be using the eSalon Without a Trace dry shampoo. And to just intensify and add a little bit more volume to the hair, we are going to use the Above the Clouds Volumizing Mousse, also by eSalon. You guys know that I've been working with eSalon for years now. Definitely love that they are a salon quality brand at a fraction of the price. They're literally like drugstore prices. And also guys, keep in mind that every time that I do work with eSalon, they give me a 50% off discount code. So not only are these products already amazingly priced, you get them for 50% off. And then to finish off, I also like to use a little bit of the Orbe Wave and Shine Spray. The stuff smells amazing, and it just kind of, with the other two products, really just makes it all come together and have really good hold. So, and now for this step, this is obviously completely optional. As you can see, the extensions are just a little bit lighter than my hair is right now. But for the ponytail, since this will only be seen kind of more towards the ends, it will totally work. So that's just a little hot tip for if you do wear extensions or you have clip-in extensions in which the color is just not blending in really well with your hair. Wearing your hair up in a ponytail, just more textured and just like fun and kind of messy, is a great way to help them blend. So what I'm going to do is just kind of part the hair. This is just going to be where I clip in the extensions, and normally you would apply it kind of on the scalp. I'm going to apply these kind of low and just really loose. And the reason for that is just so that I get more length. It just gives you a little bit more of that mermaid hair kind of effect. Alright, so first I'm going to go in with the dry shampoo, and I'm just going to apply that all over the roots. Love the way this stuff smells. And I definitely want to get some in the extensions in there, because I want the extensions to kind of start getting kind of a little gritty and match more the texture of my hair. And then for my favorite part, adding the volumizing mousse, and this is really what gives it almost that wet, really textured look. And this is definitely plenty. A little bit with this product goes a long way. So you can definitely apply it to the roots, apply it all over, and again, making sure to get some on those extensions, because we really want that hair to kind of just look crunchy. That's probably not the right word. So basically the overall kind of feel you want for your hair is I still want the ends to look kind of straight. That's what gives it that very like beachy vibe. So you know, like when you do go to the beach and you do get your hair wet, you get that kind of like messy, kinky wave, but the ends are straight. Normally the ends only curl unless you have really curly hair or you've done it with a curling iron. And so because I do want that really laid back look, we definitely want the ends to look straight. So from this point on, it's really a matter of preference. If you want it to look kind of more textured and more piecey or even more wet looking, you can apply more of the mousse. If you want it to be more curly, you scrunch it starting from the bottom, and the ends will still be pretty straight. They'll just start to kind of like clump a little bit more together. So I'm just gonna go in with a very wide kind of brush like this, just because I'm just starting to kind of mold the hair, but I don't want to get rid of too much of that texture that we just put in. So I'm starting to kind of bring some of this back just so that we can start kind of pulling this up, imagining more or less where we want that ponytail to hit. I want a pretty low ponytail. I just want a little bit of that volume. That's kind of the vibe I'm going for this look. I always think that for something kind of messy, you need a few pieces kind of falling just because it does look more laid back and it looks like you have put your hair up but these pieces have just kind of fallen out. I think with all of your hair back and then messy, then it starts to look like you tried to have a sleek ponytail and you just failed. So I think these pieces here are good. So now for the next and one of the main steps is to grab that little micro clip and grabbing about half of the hair and just looking at it profile, you can kind of see is that more or less the volume that you want. So then I'm going to go ahead and just clip that in. There you have it, guys, a super easy way to do up your hair. I would actually wear this with a pretty dressy outfit with some nice earrings, and I love that it is so laid back, but it can be so dressy at the same time. I just think that adding a little bit of volume and just a little bit of pizzazz to the hair like this is really just universally flattering on everyone. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this look. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like this video if you want to see more hairstyling videos and just quick hair tips like this. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.